This particular line of turbocharger, the manufacturer is Jrone, very well known for their precision equipment when it comes to turbochargers and parts availability. Turbocharger is a very precise component when it comes to the turbo engine. It's highly balanced because it turns so fast. The RPMs on it can reach 120,000 RPM. So it needs to be balanced very critically. So if there is damage, if there is a bent fin on either side of the turbocharger that causes an imbalance, and it'll self-destruct, that would be a reason why you would want to replace the turbocharger. If a small stone or something along that line got in on the compressor side, or if a piece of the internal parts of the engine, something had gone through the exhaust side of the turbocharger, it may have caused some damage. Generally, it doesn't do any damage to the housing. The housing are pretty robust, so they can take a little bit of grief. So you'd want to inspect that before making a decision. Well, I can just sneak a cartridge into my old housing and I should be good. You want to make sure that the integrity of both housings are in good condition. If that's the case, cartridge is the way to go.